This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen has been admitted to hospital. Allen was taken to the University Hospital of West Indies on Sunday night for observation. A representative of King's House told our news team that they could neither confirm nor deny the report, but that details would be released in short order. ORAP understands that the Jamaica Police Federation has accepted the government's latest wage offer, ending months of tough negotiations. The members unanimously voted to accept the offer following consultations. They had previously rejected a 4% wage increase offer, which they had dismissed as an insult. Under the latest wage offer, constables, who are at the lowest rank of the police hierarchy, would take home at least $210,000, with a greater portion being untaxed. Speaker of the House of Representatives, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, and her two co-accused have been freed of charges of illegal dumping in breach of the National Solid Waste Management Act. The police had reported that they were allegedly caught dumping garbage at the side of the road near Salem in St. Anne on August 15. The judge, Larona Montague Williams, said she could not find the trio guilty because they did not leave the garbage at the site when they disposed of it. The defense argued that the accused should have been ticketed for the offense instead of being hauled before the courts. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta was reportedly injured during an altercation with correctional officers at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in downtown Kingston this morning. He has since been hospitalized. Meanwhile, disgruntled residents of Tavern in St. Andrew took to the streets on Monday to protest what they described as ill treatment at the hands of members of the Jamaica Defense Force. Residents mounted roadblocks and set fire to old car as they voiced their displeasure at the way soldiers handled members of the community at a gathering over the weekend. According to information reaching ORAP, residents were present at an event in the community on Sunday night when soldiers turned up to end the gathering. They shared that instead of issuing warnings that the crowd should disperse, JDF soldiers proceeded to destroy liquor and other valuables. A child has died after being struck by a motor vehicle along the Lilliput Main Road in St. James on Monday morning. He has been identified as 12-year-old Jeff Fitzgerald, a student of Spot Valley High and resident of Lilliput. The child was on his way to school and was attempting to cross the road when he was struck by a Nissan AD wagon. He landed several feet from the point of impact. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.